Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Snapchat and taking the picture you want. This is active work, not setup. Once you capture the shot, make sure to review framing and exposure so the sticker will read clearly. Then tap the sticker icon, it's the square with a folded corner, to reveal recent, emoji, bitmoji, and custom sticker options. You do this now because sticker placement depends on the image content. Preparing the photo reduces repositioning later and speeds the rest of the process. Now choose the sticker that matches your message and image. Select from emoji, bitmoji, trending, or saved stickers because each offers different visual weight. Once the sticker is on screen, pinch to scale it and rotate with 2 fingers for natural alignment. This helps integrate the sticker with the scene. If you want a custom sticker, tap the scissor icon in Memories to cut and save a shape. Make sure to use Search for quick finds. It speeds up complex compositions. Finish by arranging any additional stickers, long pressing to adjust order or remove ones you don't want. Then add text, filters, or drawings so the whole snap feels cohesive. Once done, tap the send arrow to share with friends or post to your story. If stickers behave oddly, they won't drag or don't appear, force close Snapchat and reopen, and make sure the app has storage and photo permissions. Reinstall only if issues persist, because that often fixes corrupted cache problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.